Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, welcome to another vlog. Today I am heading to Point Lookout. Point Lookout is a state park with a fishing pier. It is situated in St. Mary's County, the town of Scotland, state of Maryland. Come along with me. So this is St. Mary's County, and this is my first time on this side of Maryland. And wow, I love it. So green and nice. You just remind me of the country in Jamaica. Look at this. We are at the state park, guys. Yes, Point Lookout. You are now standing within the walls, the Civil War prison pen. Even though the camp is generally referred to as Point Lookout, it was officially named Camp Hoffman in honor of Union Colonel William Hoffman, Commissary General of Prisoners of War. The wooden stockade of Camp Hoffman was designed to accommodate 10,000 Confederate prisoners of war. The enlisted men's camp comprised approximately 28 to 30 acres. An additional stockade of 7 to 8 acres was constructed separately, south of this stockade to accommodate captured Confederate officers. These two stockades were joined in June 1864 after the transfer of all Confederate officers to Fort Delaware. Point Lookout would become the largest northern prison camp established by the United States government during the Civil War. It was in operation as a prison depot from July 31st, 1863 until June 30th, 1865. Over 52,000 prisoners would pass through the camp gate of the prison by the time the prison closed. Unfortunately, nothing remains of Camp Hoffman today. The walls of the stockade and their interior building were torn down and sold for salvage by 1866. The ravage of ensuing storms since then have changed the feature of the much Civil War Point Lookout. Point Lookout was a gift to the people of Maryland, establishing the state park in 1965. A faithful reconstruction of the southwest corner and other structures of Camp Hoffman are provided and maintained by the park staff of Point Lookout State Park and Friends of Point Lookout Incorporated. The moment that I have been waiting for, to walk on the pier of Point Lookout. Yes, guys, Point Lookout. Oh my God, I heard about it first time coming. Yes, look at this lovely pier. This is where most people from the city come to fish. Okay, beautiful people, this is Point Lookout in St. Mary's County, Maryland. Look at the beautiful view. So there's no way I can come to Point Lookout and don't do some fishing. Yes, guys, see all the fishing gears I have on the side. Yes, look at my fishing line them. I gotta go on with a bag of things. Whoa! Some of the things sketch off camera, but never mind. You will see the fishes that I caught. Okay? Alright. So guys, ain't it beautiful? Tell me. I'm here sitting and relaxing, waiting for a bite. Oh my God, this is my first eat. And what it is, a stingray. Guys, we gotta cut this line to get this stingray off. Look at that stingray. Oh my God. Yes, you see, they say everything in this water. That's a stingray. Well, after cutting the line with the stingray, this is what I caught. A nice blue fish. Well, look at it. Yes. And shortly after, look at fishes. Yes, the moment I've been waiting for to catch some fish at Point Lookout. Yes, guys, there you have it. So, guys, I'm heading back home, and guys, right there to the right is where they have the picnics area. You can go come and have your picnic, with your friends and family. Nice place, nice place, nice park. But my main thing out here today was to come catch some fish. Yes, and I'm loving it here. So I see why the people from the city come out here to fish. So I will be coming back to Pint Lookout. Yes, my lovely people, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, where you wait, man, go ahead, man, do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. You will see me cooking fish, catching fish, and eating fish. Thanks for watching.